Welcome back to my home cooks and chef. Today we're gonna do something very, very, very special. You know what I'm saying? I'm hooking up the wifey. She loves, avocados. You know what I'm saying? If it was up to her, she'd have avocados every single day, stuff like that. And one thing, they're a healthy fruit, you guys. Yes, they're not a vegetable. For all those that don't know, avocados is not a vegetable, it's a fruit. All right, just fun fact. All right, you guys. So let's run down, the ingredients. All right, so we got three large avocados from California. Need some California avocados, you guys. All right, you got a half of a small yellow onion. Also, you got three romaine onions chopped up. We got 3 tablespoons of finely chopped cilantro. Gotta have salt, some avocado with cilantro. Who has avocado dip without cilantro? I'm just saying. And this is the option, it's a choice. She don't like spicy, avocado dip. So, but if you want to put some serrano pepper in there or some jalapeno peppers, you're more than welcome to put that in there, but I'm not. But that is also an option, as well as 2 cloves of garlic minced up, and lemon or lime juice. It's up to you, and a little teaspoon of salt. All right, so enough talking. Let's get in here. We already got 2 avocados already chopped up. We're gonna do another one. One way to do it. That's how you do it. Take it out, toss the seed. If you want to go out and plant it, you can. Remember in science class, you can actually put some sticks on the side, stick it in some water. You just start your own little avocado tree. So, all right. So we're gonna get this out. Take this up. All right, you guys. Look, hey, I like all my avocados, so I'm gonna get every bit of it out. So make sure you have a really ripe avocado. Don't be having nothing hard as a rock. And when you're doing it. All right, so first things first, we're gonna add in our romaine tomatoes. Tomato, whatever you like to say. Next, you want to add in, your onions. And I'm gonna do that first, and then add in your cilantro before I start mixing it up. All right. Now I have a secret ingredient that I didn't mention. I'm not gonna mention it until I get to it. But let's get to rough chopping this up. Now you could actually finely rough this, chop all this up, or you can, mince it really, really, whip it up. Now me, I don't. I like a little chunky in it. She likes it chunky as well. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have a little chunky avocado. Now you can do it however you like, but this is the way I'm gonna do it. So just mix in all the ingredients. Make sure you get all the little avocados chopped up and everything like that. Make sure you get it all in. And before I finish fully chopping up everything, I'm gonna actually add in my minced garlic. Because while you're chopping, you want to make sure that everything is all in the pot. So make sure you add it in. So spread it all around and stuff like that. So let me get something a little bit much more bigger. So just try to chop it up as much as you can. All right, you guys. Mix it around, mix everything in. Like I said, if these pieces is too chunky, make sure you chop it up. Now I know, let me know in the comments if you like yours chunky or you like yours whipped up. You know what I'm saying? I know I like it chunky. Because, when you got the good old fresh tortillas, you want to have some nice pieces, to grab a hold of them chips with. All right. So the secret ingredient that I have is mayo. Now they'll be like, mayo? Don't knock it until you try it, you guys. Mayo has a lot of, a lot of ingredients in here that go well with it. So I'm gonna add it in. Now you don't have to, I'm just gonna let you know at the bottom. This is just what I have. So I'm gonna do it like that. You can actually use this, or even, Mexican sour cream. You can add it in here and just make it in there. So hopefully, the mayo doesn't turn you off, but that is the secret ingredient to my wonderful, avocado dip, you guys. A lot of people always like, man, I could never get your avocado, the right way, because I don't tell them all the ingredients. So whoever watched it, they've been in my house, they have my avocado, now you know. So had to give you, the best of the best. Finally told you. Don't forget to add your lime juice so it won't turn brown. Man, this is an amazing, easy guacamole that you can make for your next party, you guys, or next game day. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.